If you saw our last video, we saw a lot of clowns and visited a local farm. But most importantly, we made it just in time for sunset. Now, when in Tahoe, these are the top 4 things you can do during winter: Emerald Bay, Palisades Tahoe, Zephyr Cove, and Heavenly Ski Resort. Now, imagine yourself waking up here in this beautiful place, catching the first rays of sunrise. This is the Emerald Bay, one of the most photographed places in the world. With its rugged blue-green waters, white sand beaches, and panoramic view of the Fanette Island, as well as outlines of Lake Tahoe, it is quite a sight to see. Definitely make time to visit it. With a little bit of a hike, a seasonal and gorgeous waterfall can be spotted. Now off to the next one. Scenic views greet us on our way to Palisades Tahoe Ski Resort. For those not familiar, this resort is often voted as one of North America's best ski resorts. It hosted the 1960 Olympic Winter Games and also known for world-class terrain with plenty of recreation, restaurants, and bars. It is huge with 6,000 skiable acres across 2 mountains. 270 runs and 3.2 miles is its longest run. Now, you'll probably start asking, is this a resort just for the skilled and professional? Or can you have fun even if your skills are not there yet? We got our passes!
After some morning snacks.
Oh my god.
Awesome. Thank you.
After the tram we go. We opted for the panoramic 10-minute ride.
Alrighty folks, here's what's going on at night. Please watch your step on the way out and have a great day.
Yoo-hoo! Hi everybody! Woo!
Our first lift in Tahoe. It is.
Seems like it stops. Second run.
Second run. Ow.
Oh. We are back up. You ready for Siberia Express? Sure. Do you see the black diamond next to it? Oh, what happened? Let's go to Siberia Express. Why not? Hold on, babe. Why not? Why is that? More beautiful what? The lift? Oh, I see. Okay. I think the line is bigger here though. On Siberia Express, look, there is almost no line. All right, let's go down. Fine, there is no line at all. Why are you crying?
Because
Because what?
because I saw. Even the kids go faster than me.
It's okay, baby. They just go a little bit faster than you.
I can't outrun them. Can we get ice cream? or Belgian waffles?
No,
Belgian waffles with ice cream,
no,
please.
no. That's for the kids. For those who can snowboard and ski.
I got my waffles.
Excited about?
Hype, hype, hype! Yeah, I'm excited
About what?
about breakfast. No, classes.
Classes.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Most beginners start here as my skill level is being assessed.
Hi!
While MJ is doing her school, I decide to hit the Siberia Express lift. I'll take the easiest way down.
I go down and walk. Good.
You'll just stop. Now step off.
Oh, perfect. Thanks.
Using only your front foot.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna be on your heels. Always think about going flat. Good, now flat. Toes.
While MJ is doing her school, I decided to hit some black diamonds. I'll be honest, I feel a little bit uncomfortable by just looking there. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so far I guess it's not as bad as it looks. Look at these views. It's breathtaking. It's amazing. We're flying!
Steeper terrain, more turns.
More turns. Looking on the sides.
Yep. Vision across hill.
Yes.
When we're on mellow, flat terrain,
You look more down. Or you look straight farther.
Yoo-hoo! Here is a black diamond number 2. And that's how you don't snowboard.
Okay, all things must come to an end.
right? Great morning.
Great morning. I learned a lot. This is
Learned
Jessie.
a lot. Hi, I'm Jesse, instructor from today at Palisades, Tahoe. What we were working on.
I was working on my toes and speed and confidence.
Exactly. Did we build our confidence today?
Yes,
Awesome.
I did. I learned a lot. Yay! Thank you.
Great job. I had a blast and I hope you did too. Come back and visit.
Yes, I will. And you guys must come here. You have to look for Jesse. He'll be a very good instructor for you.
Thanks. Nothing specific about being out here in the snow, snowboarding, skiing, alone in nature. I love the fact that the phone signal is not working here. Yeah, that was a text message probably from my lovely wife. I guess my phone works. Oh well. Let's enjoy the ride. Woo! Good job.
Yay! This wraps up our second day at Palisades, Tahoe.
Zephyr Cove, where relax meets recreation. Popular summer spot because of its sandy beaches. We choose to go there so we can experience this breathtaking sunset. People come here to just watch this, take sunset photos, walk their dog, or just hike. Another beautiful way to end a day here on Lake Tahoe, on the beach, Zephyr Cove Beach, by watching the sunset.
Yes, you see duckies and you just watch the water and the rocks. It's just so gorgeous.
All right,
All right,
let's go have some beer.
let's go have some beer. It's beer time.
Beer time. Good morning. Today we're snowboarding in Heavenly, and here we have our friend of us, Maciek. Hi guys.
We're having a beautiful morning. So beautiful.
Late morning.
Yeah, late.
Hi Nastya. Hi Andrei.
Hello.
We are with some friends today.
The ski resort is sitting on both Nevada and California side. Right now I'm in Nevada, and that's how you go to California. I guess I cannot keep up with you, Andre. Sorry. And this is why you wanna snowboard in Lake Tahoe, heavenly.
Look how beautiful it is.
This is breathtaking. Ready for a drink?
We're off to our favorite part of the day.
About to grab a bite here in Tamarack Lodge. Lake Tahoe, heavenly.
Yeah. Veggie chili and some
Mushroom pizza.
mushroom pizza.
Thank you very much. You too.
Thank you.
You good videos?
Yes.
Yeah.
About
Famous.
heavenly, huh?
You guys snowboard.
Yes.
I'm learning to snowboard.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Lunch over?
Yeah. I'm a little sleepy now.
Going back to the mountains. And the day is about to end. This is probably our last ride before they close the lifts. Tahoe, absolutely amazing. Heavenly here. Great food, great atmosphere, great music.
We had a great time with friends too.
Come see Tahoe.
Come see Tahoe. There's so many things to do.
And don't forget about that view right there.
Yeah.
And after a long day on the slopes, you wanna finish it with this.
Isn't Tahoe lovely? What else do you recommend when visiting? We hope you had a great time with us as much as we enjoyed creating this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, this is Victor and MJ saying thank you.
Push me.
Gosh.
Yay! Alright, good.
Push you off the ledge.
No, don't do that.
That's a wonder.
About to close our day. It was an epic, amazing, unforgivable adventure.
Unforgettable.
Unforgivable.
Unforgettable.
Don't forgive it.
What a beautiful day with friends and snow and sun all together.
And trees.
Yes, sir.